Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up your SwitchBot S10 with the SwitchBot app, which is available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now go ahead, get the app downloaded, sign in or create an account, and let's finish setting this up. Here's a look at the SwitchBot app. This is the main home screen where you may or may not already have other SwitchBot devices set up. In our case though, we need to set up our S10, so let's go ahead, let's choose the plus icon in the top right hand corner. We're going to select add a device, and now it's going to scan nearby, and it found the S10 automatically, but if it doesn't, you can always add manually. So pick and choose your product from the household list right here. If you want to add one, you can do that from there. But look at all the options SwitchBot has. Tons of other devices that you can use with this app, but in our case, there is our floor cleaning robot S10. We're going to select that. Everything is going to load for us here. Now we're prompted with the screen to make sure we have everything powered on. So it says remove the faceplate. So we'll pop the faceplate out right here. And then we have our switch right there. Our unit's already on. So we're going to select next. Now we need to enter into pairing mode. So we're going to hold the home button and the switch button for 3 seconds.
My Wi-Fi settings have been reset.
There we go.
Please connect through the app.
Connect device. So it's discovering, connecting, and it's reading the device data. So there we go. Now we're prompted to connect to our Wi-Fi network. So make sure you're on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So that's what we need to do at this stage right here. So go ahead, enter your password, then select next. We just got a voice prompt that said network connected. The box has changed from verified to connected to network, and we just continue to wait. All right, and here we go. Our device has successfully connected. We have the option right here to save password if we want. I'm going to select not now. But there we go. Everything has now been set up. So let's go back here. So I don't know why we had to back out through everything we previously had set up. So that's a little bit wonky to me. And currently it's showing that it's not responsive. But if we select it from our menu here, we have a firmware update. So let's go ahead. Let's do that right now. We're going to go ahead and upgrade it. We're going to toggle that on. Select this. And now it's going to work on downloading.
Upgrading firmware.
Got a voice prompt that it's upgrading the firmware. So it's already been downloaded. That took less than a minute, and now it's currently working on installing it.
Ready to go.
We got a voice prompt letting us know it's ready to go, even though the app's still showing that it's installing at 83%. It's taken about a minute, I'd say 2 minutes all in, to get everything installed. Or I should say up until this point, where it's done on the vacuum, but we're waiting for the app to finalize. All right, here we go. Everything was successful. Now we can select finish. We'll back out. And now we're into our device settings right here, where we're free to start using our vacuum, with the first step being creating a mapping run so we can get a map to populate, so then we can really dive in to our cleaning settings. But there you go. That's how you're going to set up your new SwitchBot with the SwitchBot app.